Hey guys, it's Exemnis, and I'm back with another unboxing video, and a little bit of a treat. Today we have my friend Microgeared from his channel
Microgeared on YouTube.
So wave hi to everybody.
Hello.
There you go. And he's going to be doing the unboxing today for us. So he's got the sharp knife, and he's going to go to town.
Google Store. Nice.
So this comes from the Google Store, and it is
The Stadia.
Day 1 Google Stadia.
Comes with the controller and everything, I believe.
Yeah. What else was in the box?
Sorry. Used to your videos of throwing stuff to the side. Bubble wrap in a box.
Alright. It's kind of got a lot of words in the box, but
A lot of Google words.
so what does it say on the Stadia box?
One place for all the ways we play.
There
So
we
the
go.
PC Master Race.
And does it have other stuff on the sides? Requirements and fancy letterings?
Stadia Founders Edition with the Stadia controller and Google Chromecast Ultra. Says Founders Edition on both sides.
So it's a special like Founders Edition box.
Yeah,
is what we
pretty
got
cool.
there. That's cool. I didn't think they would do anything different for the Founders Edition.
Well, it was like an extra $100 or something.
No, I think it was the same price. I don't know.
Alright, I have unwrapped it.
So we'll get over your shoulder here and go. Basic clamshell box.
Yep, basic clamshell box, shows the controller off real well from the beginning. So, kind of set up like a PS4 controller. It's got an interesting feel to it.
There, come back over your shoulder. There you go.
It's got a very interesting feel to it. It's comfortable, but I feel like the joystick should be up higher for how big my hands are.
It reminds me a lot of like the Pro controller for the Switch.
No, not even close. The Pro controller for the Switch is very much like an Xbox One controller, except better. This is definitely PS4. Kind of feels like one of those in the 360 and PS3 era, there were the crap PC controllers. It kind of feels that kind of model, but it feels a lot better than that.
Gotcha.
So it's kind of set up like an Xbox controller and a PS4 controller hybrid. It's got a nice rounded bottom, so it sits in your hand well and it's comfortable. Won't leave gap for any fatigue or anything. It's just like I said, these feel off a little bit, like they should be higher. But that's the controller.
We'll see if it gets after some use, if it like mellows out on that.
Yeah. And then let's keep going. So next, we got everybody's favorite USB-C.
Yay, more USB-C.
Yes, because somebody can't keep track of theirs.
I can keep track of mine. I have one at work and one at home.
So, just your standard power brick with the nice longer USB-C cable, probably about 3 feet. Then we got the Chromecast Ultra. It's got a magnetic spot on the HDMI so you can easily store it in your bag and get on the go. I don't know if Exemnis wants this peeled.
You can peel it, it's fine.
Yay.
Oh, and now I've got your face.
Hey guys! I
So-
don't care if my face is in there.
The Chromecast Ultra does 4K with HDR, I do believe. So
I believe so.
that's
Yes.
going to be a big upgrade to my standard Chromecast from like Gen 1.
Yep. And then also in here, the only other thing that I see is the power brick for the Chromecast, which again, USB micro powered. That's interesting actually that they do see for a lot, but not bad.
Is it USB on one side? Or is okay. That's how they do their
Yep.
Ethernet.
Yep.
Interesting.
So you got Ethernet right on there, so you can wire it in, and then it must go straight through USB micro to it. I wonder what you could use that for. Maybe you could do it with your phone.
That'd be cool.
So another. You can tell it watched Linus Tech Tips. So, that is the power brick, and everything you got right there.
So there's nothing else in the box.
There is
there is paperwork.
So paper.
No one cares. So there is everything, guys, that is in Google Stadia's Founders Edition Day 1 box. Thank you to Microgeared for helping me out doing the unboxing so I didn't throw everything all over the place. And yeah, guys, like, subscribe, so you can get updates to my other videos. The review of the Google Pixel 4 is going to be coming out here shortly. And then I think we'll probably end up doing a review of Stadia probably next. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.